Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Asman lecturer and fellow students. Today, we, the member of this group, have the honor of presenting the result of our discussion from the environmental friendly materials chemistry courses. Before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves. I am Zainida Putri Salsabila, student ID 223032411031 and our friends Nabila Ayu Karisma dengan 223032444033 and Nina Fauzan student ID 2230344034 and last Julfa Kurota Aini student ID 223032444037. Next. Okay. Football should play a crucial role in enhancing player performance, comfort, and injuries prevention. However, most current football shoes rely on petrochemical-based synthetic materials. The posterous environment contains non-biodegradable high carbon emission, low recyclability, with growing awareness of sustainable and the 2003 20 SDG targets and innovation of eco-friendly material in football shoes design has become a critical need. Next. Okay, the problem formulation number one. What are the types of sustainable material used in the construction of modern shoes? And number two, how do the use of environmental friendly materials affect athletes' performance in soccer? And last, number three, the what extent can sustainable material improve player comfort when wearing short shoes? Uh, Next, research objective number 9 is identify and review the various types of sustainable material used in the construction of sports shoes. Number 2, analyzing the effect of environmental friendly materials on improving short player performance. And last, number 3, evaluating the level of comfort and durability provided by sustainable material in sports shoes. Next.
Okay, next, let me explain the modification of football shoe component using polymer. Polymer are the most widely used materials in modern football shoes. They are lightweight, flexible, waterproof, and can be engineered to meet the biomechanical needs of athletes. Common polymer include PU or polyurethane, TPU or um, thermoplastic polyurethane, and EFA, ethylene vinyl acetate. However, these synthetic materials are derived from petroleum, which causes of environmental problems such as carbon emission and non-biodegradable waste. To address this, researchers are now developing eco-friendly alternatives. For example, next slide. The midsole can be made from BioEFI, dairy from sugarcane, bloom foam from algae, or even PLA foam from cornstarch. These materials offer good cushioning while reducing fossil fuel use. The upper part of the sole is now often made using recycled PET from plastic bottles or bio-based TPU made from vegetable oils. These materials are flexible, durable, and more sustainable. Even for the outsole, innovation like Pebax Ternu, a castor oil-based polymer, are being used as eco-friendly replacement for rubber and TPU. Of course, these are still challenges, such as durability and elasticity in biodegradable materials, but engineers are working on solutions like foam with great density to balance comfort and performance. Next slide. Okay, now let's move on to ceramic materials. Although ceramics are known for their strength and resistance to heat and wear, they are not suitable for use in football shoes. Why? Because ceramics are brittle, inflexible, and heavy. These properties make them unsafe for athletic performance, especially in a fast, contact-heavy sport like football. Next, using ceramics in football shoes can actually increase the risk of injury, both, both to the player and others on the field, because first, ceramic cannot absorb shock from collisions. Two, they create excessive pressure on joints and muscles. And three, in contact play, tackling or stomping, ceramic parts may cause serious injury. So, in conclusion, ceramic materials are not used in modern football shoes because they do not meet the basic requirement of comfort, flexibility, and safety. Next.
Next, modification Socorro components using composite materials. Composite materials consist of two or more materials. There are reinforcing materials, fibers or particles, and matrix, polymers, metals, or ceramics. In modification, composite materials are created to enhance to combine advantages of several materials used. In innovative shoes made from non-woven fibers or RPET coated with polyurethane sheets. The main material is recycled polyester fiber to utilize and reduce waste in the environment. It is lightweight, heat insulating, reduce sweat build-up, strong and flexible. Meanwhile, polyurethane is highly durable, elastic, and resistant to friction and wear. Due to the addition of the silvadure layer that improves comfort and hygiene in the soils. In one abrasion resistant test show the resistance of 20 sampai 50 ribu Terus yang kedua itu antibacterial test with confirmation of no bacterial growth in the sole inhibition zone. This conclusion are the soles meet the durability standards of footwear, especially for soccer players, which can improve running performance by providing comfort and reducing sweat and bacterial growth that causes door, chewing, and other foot problems. The next. Okay, in this research, we have three recommendation in one material development and testing. Jadi research and manufacturers itu should continue developing and testing bio-based and biodegradable materials to ensure the meet to the performance standards of professional sport footwear. integration of sustainable design. Product design are encouraged to apply eco-design principles such modular construction and easy assembly to support the recycling and reduce and of life waste. And number three, consumer education and awareness. Jadi brands and institutions should actively promote awareness of the environmental impacts of the conventional shoe materials and the benefits of eco-friendly alternatives to encourage more responsible consumer behavior. Um, Mungkin terima kasih untuk presentasi dari kelompok kami. Mungkin kurang dan lebihnya. Mohon maaf. Diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.